Hi, in this video I will show you how to add another account on Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So, go to your Instagram profile by typing the profile icon on the bottom right. Then just go to the hamburger menu by typing the three lines on the top right. Okay. Here you can see settings activity and just go to account center. Here you can see your profiles. So just tap on the profiles, and here you have the possibility to add account. So just tap on the add account. I will add my Instagram account, second Instagram account, which has already been logged in this device. So I will see this account, and I will choose the account, continue, and yes, finishing now. But there is also possibility to add account the second way. Simply from account center, sorry, from this screen, settings activity, just scroll down. Okay, and you can see that you have the possibility on the bottom of the screen that add account, and add into existing account or create a new account. I will choose the possibility create new account if you want to create a new account which has not been created yet. So just fill all the information and you can add a new account on Instagram which has not been logged in the past. Yeah, and this is how you can add a new Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.